would be aware that we have adopted we have been holding wide-ranging consultations on many issues. In fact, the consultative approach behind regulation, behind all decisions that we have taken in the last 6 years, the consultative approach is very much evident. So far as the Reserve Bank is concerned, I think restoring the inflation growth balance is the most important task ahead of the Reserve Bank. And I am sure the team RBI under the leadership of the new governor will take it forward.
It is the end of an era of the Shaktikanta Das era on Mint Road. Shaktikanta Das in his final address really talking about teamwork being at the center stage of all decisions, saying that look, he did ensure a collaborative and a consultative approach was looked at as far as all decisions were concerned. Of course, thanking everyone for their support and congratulating his successor. But what really are the highlights really from his tenure? Now, economists and analysts alike believe that look, the key hits or the key highlights really from his tenure at large have been his handling of the COVID-19 pandemic, the way he handled that crisis and got the economy out of the crisis at large, as well as mentioning the fact that look, financial inclusion was at the center stage, digital innovation was at the center stage during his tenure. So those really coming out as key hits really. Now as far as the successor Sanjay Malhotra is concerned, economists and analysts alike believe these are of course challenging times. We have seen retail inflation at a 14-month high of 6.21%. We've seen the FY25 growth outlook reduced to 6.6% as opposed to 7.2% earlier. So challenging times, and really the spotlight will be on how the inflation and growth trade-off is handled.